Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn a lot about superfoods, with a focus on the amazing Moringa tree, which is also known as the miracle tree. I'm excited to tell you not only the top 10 health benefits of Moringa but also the nutrition facts that make it a really healthy food. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to get more interesting content. Moringa, which is also called the drumstick tree, has been used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years. Today, we're going to find out what makes it a real superfood. Let's start right away. Superfood full of nutrients. First, Moringa is full of a lot of good nutrients. Moringa is a great food to add to your diet because it is full of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, and all 9 amino acids. Would you believe that Moringa has 25 times more iron than spinach? 17 times more calcium than milk. 9 times more protein than yogurt. 15 times more potassium than bananas. And 7 times more vitamin C than oranges? Powerhouse of Antioxidants. Moringa has antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are what cause aging and many diseases. While you're sleeping, these antioxidants in Moringa keep your body in great shape. Moringa leaves are good for your skin and hair because they are full of antioxidants and nutrients that make them look fresh and healthy. In addition to making skin soft, they also make hair shine. You can find about 30 different types of antioxidants in Moringa leaves. These antioxidants work to make fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. A paste made from Moringa leaves can also help with dandruff and bring back life to dull hair when applied to the scalp. The hair follicles can also get stronger from these leaves. People are aware that Moringa leaves might help with acne-prone skin. These ingredients are used in many high-end skincare and cosmetics because they even out skin tone and give it a healthy glow. They also have cleansing and healing properties for better skin. Properties that reduce inflammation. Studies show that Moringa has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a natural remedy for people who want to reduce inflammation and improve their health in general. Controlling blood sugar and cholesterol. Moringa may be very important for keeping blood sugar levels in check and lowering cholesterol. Check out the nutrition facts that show why Moringa is a good plant for people with diabetes or who want to improve their heart health. High blood pressure and heart health. Some studies show that Moringa may have a mild hypotensive effect, which means that it may help keep blood pressure in check and improve heart health overall. Digestive and antimicrobial health. One of the benefits of Moringa is that it kills microbes, which helps the body fight off infections. In addition, it helps digestion, and the nutrition facts say a lot about how good it is for digestion. Managing your weight. In order to lose weight, Moringa might be the best thing you can do. Studies show that it might help people lose weight by stopping fat from forming and speeding up the breakdown of fat. Supporting the immune system. Moringa is known to help the immune system because it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. A good source of plant-based protein. Did you know that Moringa has a lot of protein that comes from plants? Those of you who eat only plants can make sure they get the protein they need by adding Moringa to their diet. One of the best things about Moringa is how simple it is to add to your diet. There are a lot of tasty ways to get the benefits of the miracle tree. You can put Moringa powder in your smoothie, make Moringa tea, or just put Moringa leaves in your salad. There you have it, the top 10 health benefits of Moringa, along with some great nutrition facts about it. Moringa may be good for your health in many ways, but different people may react differently to it, and more research is needed to fully understand its effects. Prior to adding Moringa to your diet or taking it as a supplement, you should talk to a medical professional. This is especially important if you already have a health problem or are taking medicine. Have you ever eaten Moringa? Feel free to write about your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, happy, and believe in the power of superfoods. Until next time.